Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Benjamin. Today we'll be unboxing and putting on some accessories like the screen protector and a case on this iPad 11-inch 2022. This is the 128 gigabytes, and this is not the cellular one. So let's get right into the video, and if you're watching this video, please like and subscribe, and let's tear this thing up. Ooh. So this is the iPad, and this is what comes in the case, which you get your normal regular Apple with the stickers and instructions in here, and then came with a big case, which is fantastic, but I already have one that I'm going to use. And this USB-C to USB-C braided, nice and amazing charging cable. So that is awesome. That is all that comes in this case, nothing else. So we're gonna put this aside, the box aside, and we're gonna open this. This space gray, but it looks more like silver to me. Here it is. Wow, it's beautiful. So before we get into anything else, I'm gonna put a screen protector on this, because I don't want my fingers to be sticking all around this. So we bought a case for it, so we're gonna be putting it in this case, and later we're gonna put the screen protector on. So put this on the side, and we put this in the case, which fits amazingly. As you can see, this is a magnetic case, so slim, nice case. This is how it looks from the back. As you can see, the magnets on here. I think I might need to get another case, because this case it protects, but there's a little space and gap here, so I might need to get another case. But it is magnetic, so which means you can have it like in stands, such as this one. So just like this. You can even have it such as this one, like this, to draw. So it is a nice a really cool case to have. So this is why I got this, and we're gonna put the screen protector on now. So We've already installed the accessories, which is this nice magnetic case, and we're gonna now turn this thing on now for the first time. Awesome. So we're gonna set this up, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys a review about this iPad. So that'll be all for today, and I'm gonna try out new accessories for this iPad. So thank you very much for watching this video so far. This was just a quick unboxing and a quick accessories so that you guys can see this through. So thank you for watching, and thank you for tuning in my channel, and until next time, subscribe, like, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Peace. Bye.